Oh, I wish I could just magically enrich the email and phone numbers of all my leads in this CSV file, and I didn't have to do it manually. You mean what the Enrichment Hub of ZELIQ is doing? What? Well, the time has come. Our new Enrichment Hub feature is well and alive on ZELIQ from now on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Enrichment Hub within ZELIQ, how to make the best of it, and how to find people's phone numbers and emails from a single CSV file up to 50k leads in order to streamline your outreach and maximize your contact acquisition. Without any further ado, let's go. So what is even this Enrichment Hub that we're talking about? You might ask yourself, great question. So in short, the Enrichment Hub within ZELIQ is an innovative feature made to enhance your lead generation actions and was designed to help you save a lot of time by using a simplest workflow to enrich big files into a complete waterfall. Since the Enrichment Hub has a very high phone finding rate and a very high email finding rate, it can significantly boost your ability to gather accurate contact information on your leads from just a simple CSV file. So let's see how to use it. I'm gonna show you. So in order to use the Enrichment Hub, all you have to do is go to ZELIQ. If you don't have a ZELIQ account, you can sign up for our 2-week free trial using the link in the description box down below as usual. Once in ZELIQ, go on data, go on Enrichment Hub, click on enrich from CSV, upload your CSV file containing up to 50,000 leads, go on continue, save and finalize, launch enrichment, and tada! So after this, you just wait a couple of minutes, the time it takes for the file to be enriched by our 15-step email waterfall process providers, and after that, your enrichment is done. So once your enrichment is done, there are 2 possible actions that you can do. So you can either export the enriched lead list, or you can add it to ZELIQ so that you can actually do an outreach to your leads via our platform. Very simple. So how you can use best the Enrichment Hub in order to optimize your enrichment results by 30% is to basically make sure that you include your leads, LinkedIn URL, and the company domain in your file. So if you do that, your enrichment results are going to be 30% better. So do that. And finally, let's talk about why the Enrichment Hub is actually super useful for you. So the Enrichment Hub is super useful because, first of all, it is a great tool for prospecting as it improves both your efficiency and effectiveness in the lead generating. It has the ability to handle large-scale data processing containing up to 50,000 leads on your CSV files, and a little spoiler, also very soon on Sales Navigator, LinkedIn, and from ZELIQ Search, which will save you even more time and energy, which is why we are here. It is to help you save time and energy. Why else would you be watching this video? And finally, since everything is already integrated within ZELIQ, you can outreach to your leads on ZELIQ from your CSV file immediately with a personalized and targeted communication that overall improves lead quality and conversion rates. So that would be all on the Enrichment Hub. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want to go ahead and test the Enrichment Hub yourself, you can click the link in the description box below to sign up for our 2-week free trial. See you in the next one, and happy prospecting. Bye!